If you follow the channel, you should know by now that I love making smash burgers. They're really easy to make and the kids love them. But the good thing about cooking smash burgers is you get a very juicy burger. Now my typical smash burger that I make all the time is just an 80-20 blend of ground beef seasoned with salt and pepper and topped with American cheese. Now these burgers are delicious as they are. They come out great every single time I make it. But today, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be making an Oklahoma burger. I like trying new things, so we're going to lay down a little bit of thinly sliced onions. Now we'll season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and we'll let those onions cook for about a minute. Now we'll take our ground beef, which is weighing at 4 ounces, and we're going to smash it right into the onions. And let me tell you, at this moment, that onion smell was just phenomenal. It was really pungent and it was making the aromas in the air really yummy. Now season with a little bit of salt and pepper on that side and let it cook for about a couple minutes until you see browning on the side of the patty, and then we'll give it a flip. If any onions fall off, by all means, it's okay. You could just place those right back on top of the patty. But all we're going to do from here is we're going to top it with a little bit of American cheese, and we're going to let that cheese get nice and melty. Now we're going to dome it for about 30 seconds, and then our burger patties are done. All we have to do from here is toast up 2 brioche buns. And now I'm going to keep it simple with the burger. I'm going to just add mustard on both buns and just top it with some dill pickle. And that's all you need for this burger. Now let me tell you, my wife is not a fan of mustard or pickles. And when she ate this burger, she actually enjoyed it. So that lets you know right there that this was a fantastic burger. And that right there, folks, our burger is done. Now you guys see what I made. This thing smells fantastic and it looks fantastic. Big burger fan, the Oklahoma burger, big fan of it. Cheers, y'all. Nice big burger, just the way I like it. You can't beat this. It's simple, minimal ingredients, and a tasty burger. Cheers, y'all. That's a winner right there. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you see future videos just like this. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you watching. As always, I got these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now, y'all be beautiful and take care.